So, hello guys! Mag-voice over lang tayo dito. And then, mag-swimming sana kami ni Ethan. And then, nakabihis na kaming dalawa. And then, timing na paglabas namin is may nag-thunder at saka nag-lightning ba. So, hindi safe para mag-swimming kaming dalawa. So, ayan, nag-tantrum. Grabe yung tantrum niya dahil lumabas na nga kami. And then, ayaw na niyang pumasok dahil gusto niya talagang mag-swimming. So, ayan. So, pinapakalma ko siya. And then, ay, naku, ang tagal talaga niya. Ang tagal kong pinapakalma. Kailangan talaga yung patience. Yung mahabang pasensya talaga para sa aking anak.
It's okay if there is no thunder, but there is thunder. It's not safe, okay? Not safe. Mama gonna swim you, okay? It's gonna swim later. Let's wait for no, come on, Mama bring you outside later, okay? Mama bring you outside later. Okay? He's gonna swim later. My baby, Mama love you. Thunder, 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 thunder. I'm gonna feed you up. You're fine na ha. You will swim later ha, okay?
Mag-cry si Ethan. Ayan. From Ethan. Wala pa siya kain. Wala pa siyang kain guys dahil sa swimming pool ko lang sana siya pakainin ba. So, nag-light up ba yan? Naamagod siya thunder. Naay ka ng dugdug pa. Nagdugdug. Calm down si Ethan. So, yun lang guys. Tingnan nyo to guys. Oh. Para akong iwan ko pa to. Meron din dito. Yellow. I'll get it. Mama, get it. I'm gonna feed him pa mandi. Ay, so ayun si Mr. guys, nagawa siya ng kuan. And then si Ethan. Hala, tunaw. It's cold. It's cold. Tugnaw guys. It's so cold. Mama, nag-fire naman na siya earlier. May nag-cold. Ayan. Gilak siya kay yung gagol niya. Ako kapamutang upuan niya, pakainin ko pa si Ethan. Don't drop it, okay? Don't drop it. You're drinking the water. Let's see, i-video natin yung ginawa ni Mr. guys. Ayan. Para dito tayo mag-jump. Oh, sige, you drop it again. Namaro na, ala. Close your mouth. Itani, gidrop na sa niya. Pang sa tagpuan, kaya grabe kainit. O, diba? Nagdala na ako dito, guys, ng lunch ni Ethan. Kaya every time, lunch time, kay kanang ano na niya, kanang kailangan na niya mag-swimming. So, iiyak na siya para mag-ano.
Swimming. Oh, flies. Ha! Ha! Dala tayo ng watermelon and orange. Para hindi na ako magtawag-tawag sa kanila, guys. Salmon. Nga na vlog. Itan! Itan ba nagtanong ba na niyo? So guys, kami ni Itan nag-swim. Then sila is just our audience. Dilis lang mag-swimming. Ayan lang mag-swimming, guys. Dinula man tayong choice, no? Kaya yung anak natin dyan man. Gusto mag-swimming. Higa lang tayo dito. Ito na kayo po. Hello! Natulog. Ayan si Ethan. Ethan. Get this lang.
Maybe too small for you, for kids. Probably.
Itaas. Wow. And I got wet too.
Like tugboat, ain't you? Tugboating along.
What, Mama?
Huh?
I just got wet.
Tugboating along.
Huh?
You tugboating along.
Yeah. I'm coming there, huh?
Please don't. Okay, go.
Warmer, isn't it? It was 75 degrees in the water. So it's only run up to the brick. Somebody kept the fire going this morning instead of laying in their beds. It's a lot warmer. Let's go back and get a bunch of firewood. I'll fix it there. But the pool's pretty clean this year, isn't it?
Yes. Very blue.
Been
Very.
like this every day.
Yeah.
Been this clean every day. So.
Oh. Update niya last day, I don't know yun, ano yun? Kailan ba yun? Parang Wednesday. So ito, hindi kasi niya to tinatrabaho kahapon. So, dito, dahil kay Ethan. So, tingnan nyo to, oh. Meron pa akong tomato dito. Oh, kinain na ng ano, day. Ang tomato, wala na akong kalagyan. So, yan yung binili ni Mr. Oh. Tapos yung talong, oh, namunga na. Tapos yung tinanim natin na okra. Ito yung zucchini, oh. Meron ng bunga zucchini, guys. So, hindi pa natin na i-transfer dahil hindi pa natapos yung ating garden bed. So, iwan ko lang kay Mr. So, hinihintay ko lang. So, yung ating, ano, lemongrass. Hoy! So, baby! Come here! Ayun lang guys. This one? Bata, naligo na sa balik. Then, nagbutang ang sahig guys. Tapos nailagay yung sahig. Tapos yung ano, may hagdanan na. Ayan ang bata. Yeah. Oh. Baby, not there. Look, look. No. Shh. So, yung ating update, guys. So, meron na siyang ganyan. Ano si Ethan? Ethan! Ito si Mr. yung nag-cut nito. Parang binili niya somewhere else. Charot. Yan na. Malapit na matapos. It's almost done. Yeah, he's happy. Oh. Ala ka. He's freaking. Shh. Done. Oh, here. No more gate pa de.
Gate.
But it's look like that now. Wow, it's nice, baby. We're so proud of my husband. Nah.
Why don't you bring that out that mat over?
What mat? I will bring it. Sir. Ginagamit niya yan para ilagay yung mga tools na ginamit niya, guys. Para hindi na magakot-hakot. Ethan, you're done shower. Hello guys. So, ayan, tapos na. Tapos ni Ethan mag-swimming na naman.
Come on, climb up there with your mama. Get up there and climb up there.
Ethan.
Climb up there. Let mama get the picture. Yeah, there we go. A daring little diver.
Jump.
You going in, man? You gonna jump? Come on, chicken little, jump. Jump on in there. Get on in there. Jump. Jump.
Jump, Ethan.
Jump.
They didn't jump.
Jump on in there, man.